First, I'd like to show you how to wrap a bottle. Paper size just over halfway up the bottom and add about 6 inches or 15 centimeters to the top. The width should be wide enough to overlap slightly. Turn over the paper and fold it slightly. The folded end will be the right side on the bottle. Stand the bottom center of the bottle on the edge of the paper. Then lay it down and start wrapping. Secure with double-sided tape with the right edge on top. Make sure it's halfway down the bottom. Fold inward both ends of the overlapped part slightly like this. Take the outer paper and pull it toward the center point and make pleats. Continue making pleats toward the center. A little thinner paper would be easier to make pleats. For the last pleat, pull the first one up and tuck it down underneath. Then put the first one back. Secure it with regular tape. Stand it up and close the upper area with double-sided tape. Flatten the top. Then fold down to the back. Flatten the top crease neatly. Fold both side edges of the top tab diagonally. Fold here inward a little. Secure with double-sided tape. This is the front side. Put it on the back side up again. Attach the color ribbon from the lower area to the top in the center using double-sided tape like this. Then wrap it around. Overlap and cut off the excess ribbon. Attach with double-sided tape. Let's add white ribbon to the front. Make a loop and a little longer tail with the right end ribbon. Place the point where you like to make a bow. Wrap around the bottle while covering the seam of the color ribbon. Tie it at the point. Make the right end ribbon go to the upper right. Make a loop with the left side ribbon towards the right. Wrap the right end ribbon around the base of the loop and bring it back to the front. At the front, push it into the knot and pull it out to the left. Tuck the side of the center of the knot inward to make it smooth. Pull out the bottom of the both loops to tighten. Adjust the shape of the bow. Cut off both tails. Done. Let's make it on the box. This time, position of the bow a little higher. Start with attaching the color ribbon on the back. Wrap it around the box in the same way as the bottle. Make a white ribbon bow on the front side as well. I'm showing once again the tricky part of tying a nice bow. This method is the same as making a bow with one-sided ribbon, but you can also make a nicer bow with double-sided ribbon. Now you can make a perfect and handsome bow every time.